I've got about 40 grams of porridge oats here. I've got about 250 millilitres of milk. I've got some sugar. I'm going to use about a tablespoon, roughly. I'll use a tablespoon, taste it, see what it's like, see if it's sweet enough for my likeness, and then yeah, and then I don't know, maybe I'll put a bit more in, maybe I won't. But also check these out. I found these in the shop today. Gloriously grown extraordinary fruit and nuts. Extraordinary fruit and nuts. Saw them, thought we could have them. California red walnuts and sorbet raisins. Never heard of a sorbet raisin before. This is going to be a new experience. Let's have a look. Okay, well, which one's a sorbet raisin? Is that a sorbet raisin? I've got no idea. It tastes like a big juicy there, just bigger, a big juicy raisin. Look at that. Red walnuts. Never seen a red walnut either before. Oh yeah. They've got a slightly different flavour. They're not so harsh. I don't know. Okay, so these are for the porridge. So there we go. If you, gloriously grown, California red walnuts and sorbet raisins. They're going in the porridge as well. Just wondering, okay, let's just take a few of them out. Sound effects, okay. Do I want to put walnuts in there? Oh, look at them raisins look. Oh, I think maybe I'll chop them down, but do you know what? I'll just put them in like that. Not sure about the walnuts though. They're a bit red. Oh, but they taste really good. No, let's go. Okay, so I've got my little bowl there. Got a little bowl of these. Oh, look at those raisins. Oh my god. Okay. Milk, 250 millilitres. Oh, stop it. Okay. Well, there's 250 ml of milk in there. I'm going to drop my raisins and nuts in there now. To give them a little bit of a, you know, get the raisins in with the nut in the water, in the liquid now. Get the raisins in the liquid now, and then they'll start to absorb some of that and give them a bit more juicy. So you've got an even juicier. What are they called again? An even juicier sorbet raisin. Lovely. You learn something new every day. So I'm just going to wait for that to come to the boil. I'm going to drop my sugar in there now. So I've got a tablespoon sugar in there. So we've got the milk, 250 millilitres of milk, tablespoon of sugar. We've got some sorbet raisins, and we've got some, what was it? Red walnuts. So I just let it boil. As soon as it starts boiling, which is right now actually, that was pretty quick, wasn't it? Okay, so that's boiling. We're going to go back to the action, because otherwise it's going to boil over and I'm staring at the camera. La, 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 la. There we go. Okay, cool. Got the whisk. Okay, we're boiling. Now, once the oats go in there, it's going to take about 2-3 minutes. So we're whisking for a couple of minutes. What are we on now? We're on 4 minutes. There we go, look. 4 minutes 20, nearly. Let's drop it in at 4 minutes 20. Wait, 17, 18, 19, 20 on this one. Oh, okay, drop that in. Now, so keep it whisking. If it looks like it's going to get too hot, it's going to boil over or burn or something, just take it off the head and put it back on again. Yeah, la, 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 la. Yeah, la, 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 la. Okay, let's come back a little bit. There we go. Time is on. What time did I put them in there? 4:30, wasn't it? Oh, look at the camera bubble. Okay. I'll just keep it moving, it's not, just to really stop it from burning. Don't burn porridge. give it a quick taste to see how the sugar is, and that's had what? That's had 1 minute. So let's just take it off. Just want to see how. Check the sweetness of it. So I'm gonna put another half a tablespoon in there. La 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 la. What's that? So we've got another what? 20 seconds or so. You see that? Cool. So that's had 2 minutes. It's just about done. So it's around 40 grams of porridge, 250 millilitres of liquid. So that's water or milk or champagne, maybe. Champagne porridge. Ooh. Do you know what I mean? Okay, let's get it in there. Okay, cool. We'll put a little bit, I don't know, should I? I think I might, do you know what? I'm going to go completely crazy on this one. I'll put a little bit of honey on it as well. So there's the, so that's my porridge with red walnuts and sorbet raisins and a little drizzle of honey on the top. Thank you.